Inaano lang namin yung mga kasi dinala sila dito. We are we're going up kasi dito naman kami. Wait. So we have the koi fish. Let's see koi fish. Nasaan yung koi? Andun ba? Ay, meron pa pala doon eh. Sila yung ADL. Animals Deprived with Liberty. Nasaan siya? Labas ka. Na-amaze lang siya. Wow, ang ganda ng mga corals, Bobby. Ah! Hi, animals deprived of liberty. Okay lang yun kaysa mahuli kayo. Dito lang sila. So, nag-hatch pa lang daw sila. Kaya ito sila. Lima yan. Tapos ito sila paglaki. There are shark eggs. Merong camera here. Galing. One Nemo in full of doors. Isa lang si Nemo. And Dory. Sino si Nemo? Ooh, so yummy. Charot.
Yung pinaka-ito yung ulam namin. Ang laki nila.
Ito yung nasa Dave the Diver. Oh my gosh. Now I see in real life.
Wala yun. Laki ito.
Yes. That's why it is so yummy. Talakitok. I can see the kinamatisan. Hi! Oo, naka-zoom in yan. Door dito, they're inside the ship. IMAX. IMAX 5D. Okay, let's go down. Nasa loob kami ng ship, kaya ganito yung mga railings. Yeah. We are now in the...
Ito. Ito yung sa kabilang
Yes, sa Dave the Diver ulit. Kami ay mga game. Oh my gosh. You are so... Oh my... This is like the dinosaur era. Nakakatakot. Kaya nga eh. What's sila? We're like living in a dinosaur era. Chunky! Yan pa yung hindi pa malaki. Chunky!
Sama-sama sila dito.
Our national fish. So, may pangsigang, merong prito, saka sa Spanish oil. Spanish sardines. Sabi ko may pangsigang, may pangprito. Saka may paksiw. Yes, you are the paksiw. Ikaw ang napili for paksiw. Pinapakuluan ng mga isda. Sila'y ginagawa ng sinigang. Charot, bakit kayo naman may ganitong effect? Dahil ba sila'y nasa boiling room? O, anong nangyayari? Ito ang kinamatisan at doon ang sinigang. Happy Pride! Masyado tayo makulay. Ang daming mga bading. Hello mga bakla! Hello! Sabi yung mga nasa movie, to sila yung mga elders sa aquarium na hinihinga ng wisdom. Yung naka-stay still lang sila. Feeling ko sila yan. Manghingi ka ng wisdom sa kanila. Who am I?
Paano lang?
Philosophical.
Paano kaya?
Went out the room. Dito kami sa pier. Kasi papunta kami ng second floor. And we are now going to the trails to Antarctica. Okay. Let's go. Kaya yung penguin. Here we are in Antarctica. Natin pa. Medyo
Picture.
Antarctica. Tapos may yung A. Ayun pala. Ayun nga, Antarctica. Inayos. Hey, we are now in the penguin area. Ang ganas! Oh my gosh! There they are! Oh Lord, they are just birds, but there's cuter than a lot of birds. Ang ganda! This is my... Pakitang gilas siya. It's a penguin. Sabi nga ni Benedict Cumberbatch. Penguin! Oh, so cute! We're now done with the penguins.
Hindi na pala tayo makakabalik doon.
Here is the Christmas village. Merry Christmas. Lamig. Just the spirit of Christmas.
Dapat malayo.
Sea Lion Show. Saan tayo? Baka mabasa tayo.
Rocky! Rocky!
Lahat din.
Now, players ready? Players ready, set and go! Here's Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy. 7 points for Rocky. 7 points for Sassy, so it's time for the last ball. And Rocky wins! The trainer Indonesia out of China and here in the Philippines. And the opening known as Flowing of Unlocking Missiles regions. Here comes our and here comes our roaming pigeons. Roaming pigeon has unique roaming meaning they generally return to its nest and mix.
They're
Covered around the cluster, raptors and roaming pigeons. We believe that there is hope. We're only not trying to take care of princess, but also for those who are in the landing area as well. Now learn us the 3 R's. What are those? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. Happy How about a round of applause for the wonderful and wrong? Give one and welcome to a one half. Alright. Alright, we got everything. Clap your hands, everybody! Alright. Ladies, show them the side by side.
Dapat yung isa.
And the Flavor Paxen Rock and Roll as is rock into the water flowing to Western and
Break after the Sea Lion Show.
Malaman pala.
Okay, Philippine Biodome. Let's go. Okay. So these are the butterfly points. Wow, may speaker. Chilling. Hulaan niyo kung sino siya sa Senado.
So, laki, no?
Now we're going to the dome itself here in the Philippine Biodome. Tani-tala. Nagpapasok tayo sa mga animals with live. with liberty. Okay. And then doon, merong falls. Ibon Adarna spotted. Charot. Isa siya lang siyang peacock. Kanta ka nga, para maging bato. Ay, charot. Hindi. Medyo, oo. Mixed parrot, mixed medusa. Charot. Okay. Here we go. Mga ano to?
Ito yung dinosaur.
Oh, the ancient, the legendary. Ang naabutan ni Juan Ponce Enrile. Charot.
Ito ba yung Bible? Ay, Bible. Yung panel.
Meron tayong mga birds. Big bird. Pag ipapakita sa tatay niya, baka gawin pang sabong ko. Charot.
Ang lapit nila yun. Pakain ko doon. Grabe.
Uy, merong white doon, no?
Pinakain ng iso.
Merong white doon, no? Di ba daming black? May white doon. Tara.
Yung isa nakakailan na. Yung sa harap.
Oo. Ikaw, mamigay ka naman.
Yung iba yung pinakakain.
When there are animals deprived of liberty, dito tayo tinitignan ng mga tao sa labas.
Hindi sila deprived of people.
They are spoiled. Spoiled pala sila. Mga ibon.
Silang source of food.
Yes. Sila yung mga animals na may hospital arrest, kumbaga. Kasi yung mga politiko may hospital arrest, spoiled sila. Charot. Okay. Alam nyo, ibon yun. Yung background music. Fantail pigeon. Isa namang tanikala.
Stay muna tayo dito.
Ba't Oh my gosh, bakit nakakatakot? Are we... Hello!
Uy, wala pa rin.
Oh, ba dito? Uy, pwede. Attraction nga eh.
Kasi ano na yun eh.
Paligiran kami ng mga taong pansabong. Dito kami sa gitna at kami magsasabong. Medyo. So, maghihintay kami kung sino tatae sa amin gano'n.
Dahil sila ng isda para lang.
With the two birds, that's us. Cute. Hello. Hello, Donald Duck. Do you have 4 fingers or do you have 5 fingers? Like me. Yan. Look at that glittery bubble. It's so nice to see you. So free, walang problema. Sa grades and all. Brrr. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.